nice visual tool we can use to represent operations on sets. A Venn diagram displays sets as intersecting circles. We can shade the region we are talking about when we carry out an operation. Let's take a look. Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to mention that this video is a part of a whole course that I made. You can find a link to this entire course in the description below and make sure to click on that subscribe button. Each circle represents a set. The rectangle containing the circles represents the universe that you're working in. To represent combinations of these sets, we shade the corresponding region. For example, we could draw A intersection B as the shaded region here, and I'm going to use different colors for each of these. This region right here is in both A and B. Here's a representation, though, of A intersection B complement, which sometimes is written as that. I'll probably use that notation instead. Or equivalently, this is the same thing as A minus B. Okay, so in this case, we're looking at the intersection of A, which I'll represent with green, and B complement, which I'll represent in purple. In this case, this whole thing is B complement. And so the intersection looks to be right here in this region. This region is both green and purple. And so that's how we can use Venn diagrams. A more complicated example would be something like B intersection C union with C intersecting A complement. Okay, so this is going to take some time. Let's start with B intersection C. I know where that is, and let's use red for that color. B intersection C is this region right here. So that's my red. And then for this C intersection A complement, I'm looking inside C, which is here. It has to be in C, and it has to also be in A complement. So what part of this region is not in A, or is in A complement? Well, particularly this region inside of C is not in A. And so that's purple. And then we're taking the union of these two regions, meaning we're going to combine these two regions. We're going to take all the elements that are in either set. So all of these elements, which is just purple, all the elements that are both purple and red, and all the elements that are just red. So that would be that region right here. This whole thing can be represented by that black region right there. All right, so anyways, thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next lecture.